A KashKick ban usually happens after automated systems detect policy violations, like duplicate accounts, suspicious device activity, or offer completion patterns that don't match normal user behavior. By the end of this, you'll know why KashKick bans accounts, how the appeal process actually works, and the exact steps that improve your chances of getting your account restored. Start with what a ban actually means. Most KashKick bans are triggered by automated systems, not human review. That means the decision is based on patterns like device fingerprints, IP history, and account activity consistency. So the appeal process is basically a request for manual review of those signals. First step is identifying the exact reason for the ban. KashKick usually sends a general message, but the cause typically falls into three groups: multiple accounts, offer fraud flags, or unusual login behavior. Knowing the category helps you structure your appeal correctly. Second step is submitting a clean, single appeal request. Sending multiple messages or repeated tickets can slow down review priority and make the case harder to process. Your appeal should include your account email, a clear explanation of what you were doing, and a direct request for manual review. Third step is being precise about device and location changes. If you used a VPN, switched devices, or changed networks during activity, mention it clearly, because those are common triggers for automated flags. Fourth step is avoiding emotional or vague messages. Support systems respond better to structured information than long explanations or complaints. Short, factual descriptions increase the chance of review. Now here's what actually matters when appealing a KashKick ban. Most bans are not instantly reversible because they rely on automated fraud prevention systems that prioritize risk protection over speed. That means appeals are reviewed only when the request clearly shows legitimate activity. So clarity and consistency matter more than arguing the decision. In some cases, bans remain permanent if the system detects repeated violations or high-risk patterns. That's why the appeal is about clarification, not negotiation. Summary: KashKick bans are triggered by automated detection systems based on behavior patterns, not manual review. Appeals work best when they are clear, structured, and include full account and activity details. Clean explanations improve review chances. Next step: submit one detailed appeal with your account info, device history, and a simple request for review. Then wait instead of sending multiple messages. Like and subscribe for more clear, no-fluff guides on fixing apps when account systems or tracking systems stop working.